The world of artificial intelligence is vast, dynamic, and evolving faster than any technology before it. Every day, new tools and platforms emerge, transforming how we work, create, and think. To truly understand how to use AI effectively, it's essential to explore the current landscape, the ecosystem of tools that power creativity, communication, and innovation for everyone, not just programmers. At the heart of today's AI revolution are large language models, the engines behind conversational tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and others. These models process and generate natural language, allowing humans to interact with machines through simple conversation. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is one of the most recognized examples, capable of brainstorming, explaining concepts, writing, and reasoning. Anthropic's Claude focuses on safety and reliability, while Google's Gemini blends text understanding with real-world data and reasoning. Together, these tools make AI accessible for education, content creation, and research without requiring technical expertise. But the AI landscape doesn't end with text. Visual AI tools have opened an entirely new dimension of creativity. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI turn written prompts into beautiful images, illustrations, and designs. Artists and marketers use them to create visuals faster than ever before. Instead of needing advanced graphic design skills, all you need is imagination and the ability to describe your vision. A single sentence can now become a detailed, high-quality image within seconds. Then there are video and voice AI tools, reshaping how we produce and share content. Platforms like Runway, Pika, and Synthesia generate or edit videos automatically from text, enabling educators, creators, and businesses to produce professional media with minimal effort. 11 Labs in play. HT create realistic voiceovers in multiple languages and tones. Together, these tools have made video and audio production as easy as typing an idea. Beyond creative tools, AI assistants are now built into everyday apps. Microsoft Copilot and Google Duet help write emails, summarize documents, and automate workflows. Notion AI and Canva Magic Studio assist in note-taking, brainstorming, and designing. AI has become an invisible collaborator, quietly increasing efficiency in everything from business to education. As we explore this landscape, it's clear that AI tools fall into a few major categories. Text-based tools handle language and communication. Image and video tools focus on creativity and media. Data and productivity tools help analyze, summarize, and organize information. And specialized AI tools serve specific industries, like Jasper for marketing, Tome for storytelling, or SoundRaw for music generation. Together, they form a rich and interconnected ecosystem that touches nearly every field. But navigating this landscape requires awareness. Each tool has strengths and limitations. Some prioritize creativity, while others focus on factual accuracy or ethical alignment. Understanding which AI is right for your purpose is part of becoming an effective AI user. For instance, you might use ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, and Runway for videos, blending their strengths into a single creative workflow. The beauty of today's AI world is that anyone can participate. You don't need technical training to use these tools. You just need curiosity and a clear goal. The AI landscape isn't a playground for coders anymore. It's an open studio for everyone. Teachers, entrepreneurs, designers, and even students are discovering how to bring their ideas to life in entirely new ways. Exploring the AI landscape is not just about learning the tools. It's about recognizing a shift in how we create and think. AI is becoming an extension of human imagination, a bridge between our ideas and their expression. And as you continue mastering prompt engineering, you'll learn how to navigate this landscape with purpose, precision, and creativity. The AI era is here, and it's more inclusive than ever before. The landscape is vast, but the map is simple. Start exploring, keep experimenting, and let your prompts shape the world you imagine.